Good morning students. In the last video we have discussed science, its origin, basically physics and its origin. Now there are two basic principles in physics. We will discuss these two principles in this video. So first principle is unification while the second one is reduction. As the name defines, unification means to unify something. Unify, that is to collect all the things in a you can say single level. And the reductionism, that is to reduce something. रिडक्शनिज्म का बेसिक मीनिंग क्या होगा आपका, कि आपके पास कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्टम होगा, उसको आप उसके स्मॉलर पार्ट्स में, उसके इंडिविजुअल पार्ट्स में आप उसको रिड्यूस कर दोगे. आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्टडी द होल सिस्टम. वाइल इन यूनिफिकेशन what we want, this approach considers all of the world's phenomena as a collection of universal laws in different domains and conditions. That is कि वर्ल्ड में जो भी आपके फिनोमिना हो रहे हैं, उन सब फिनोमिना के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए कि वी शुड हैव ए सिंगल यूनिवर्सल लॉ फॉर डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस एंड कंडीशंस. दैट इज कि एक ऐसा लॉ जो आपका सभी कंडीशंस और डोमेन्स के ऊपर अप्लाई हो. वो कंडीशन आपकी क्या कहलाएगी, यूनिफिकेशन. जैसे अगर हम देखते हैं कि देर आर सो मैनी situations, there are so many conditions, and if we have a different law for different conditions, then it will be very typical to remind, to understand. So this process will help us. For example, law of gravitation, which we have studied in class 10th, in which the force of attraction between two bodies was F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, which depends on the masses of the two particles and the distance between the two particles in which the force of gravitation is applied. So this was given by Sir Isaac Newton for an apple to the ground. जब एक एप्पल ग्राउंड की तरफ गिर रहा था तो उस टाइम पे सर आइजैक न्यूटन के माइंड में ये थॉट आया और उन्होंने इसकी स्टडी करी एंड उन्होंने लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन दिया. दिस लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन ऑल्सो होल्ड्स फॉर द सोलर सिस्टम. दैट इज द मोशन ऑफ प्लैनेट्स अराउंड द सन. अदरवाइज इफ दिस विल नॉट होल्ड, then the planets will escape their orbit in a tangential direction and they will go away from the sun. So just because of this law of gravitation, the planets move in the orbit around the sun. So this is the single law which is applied on the all the system. So in the process of unification, we have to just unify all the things in such type of universal laws. Now come to the next point, reduction. This approach is to derive properties of complex systems from the properties and interaction of its parts. That is, here we have a complex system, that is larger system, and we study this system by dividing it into its part, and then all individual parts are studied. For example, temperature studied under thermodynamics is also related to average kinetic energy of molecules in the system. That is, thermodynamics के अंदर हमें टेम्परेचर की स्टडी करना है, जिसकी स्टडी हम मॉलिक्यूल्स, सिस्टम के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं उनकी एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी के साथ में भी उसका रिलेशन आता है. E is equal to 3/2 K into T. While E is the average kinetic energy, T is the temperature of the system. This whole phenomena about the thermodynamics we will study in class 11th. So this is all about the basic principles of physics. थैंक यू।